Hey everyone, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. On today's video, we're going to use up some of Sabastian Sauce's barbacoa rub, which is a nice light and herby rub. It's a good all-purpose rub. You can use it on any protein. It's got cumin, paprika, lemon pepper, onions, garlic, and a host of other herbs and spices. Like I said, it's a nice all-purpose rub. Today we're going to go ahead and use it on some shrimp and make some shrimp skewers and turn it into a shrimp sandwich. So let's go ahead and get started. We got a toasted Philly bun here. Go ahead and put a little mayo on there. Put some lettuce. Some tomato. Some shrimp. I'm going to top it off with some of his SASSY hot sauce. It's got pineapple in there, habanero pepper. Tastes great. Got some lime juice, some lemon juice in there. It's more of his tropical blend. Tastes great with seafood, on pizza, everything. There we have it. Here we go. Nice and light. Got that herbiness to it. Then you got that heat from the SASSY sauce going next to it. Kicks it up just a little bit. But overall, keeps it nice and light. Doesn't have a major kick to it. Just nice and smooth. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.